Hello friends, welcome to Global ICT YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about AweSun Remote Desktop. It's a very good service, and this service is to remotely access the PCs, not only PCs, but you can also access the Android phones, and with Android phone you can also access the iOS, and it's cross platform. You can run in iOS, and from iOS you can access the Android, and from Android you can access the iOS, and from these both phones, Android and iOS, you can access the desktop PC to give the remote assistance. So AweSun provide free, easy, fast and secure remote access to Windows, iOS and Android laptop. So in my previous lecture I told you about Light Manager. So it have a, difference in these both AweSun Remote Desktop and Light Manager. So the AweSun Remote Desktop actually works over the internet. So it creates some kind of ID. It doesn't gives you access through IP address, Internet Protocol address, but it creates ID. So it creates ID over the internet. So Light Manager actually you can this was to access the desktop, only desktop, over the local area network, just over the local area network, and also over the internet, but with, with internet protocol IP address. So AweSun would create some sort of ID, and through that ID you can access the remote devices. So let's see, let's go and start uh, do practical. First of all, you have to install the AweSun Remote Desktop on your PC, and also AweSun Remote Desktop on another PC you want to access, and also over the Android phone. So I'll tell you step by step how to install the AweSun Remote Desktop over the PC and over the phone. So here we are. Just write down AweSun Remote Desktop here. That is, this is its official website. So let's see if it's opening. If it's not opening, then yeah, it's working. You can see it have license. If you want to buy, it may have great features than free, this AweSun Remote Desktop software. So let's download free. You can see this is Apple laptop, and this is Android, and this is iOS. This is Apple operating system. It can be installed over laptop and desktop. So this is Android and this is iOS. So we need this Windows setup to install over the PC. Keep it. So here we are. It's almost downloaded. Now let's start installing it. Okay, just click it. Here we are. Yes. If you want to run in spite of installing it on your PC, then you can run directly, or otherwise you can install also. So we are going to install this in our PC. This would be destination directory where it would be installed. So it's installed on my physical machine. So here we are. Let's enter now. You need Gmail ID to log in this window, in AweSun window. So here we are. Just go in login, and here don't have account. Let's see. So let's create one. I'm creating globe of ICT. I think we have to give the email address here. Email address. So I think I should have the email address of Evan. This just password. Make it very simple. Here's the name. Here we are. Create. I think I have created with this email address. So let's see. The email address has been registered. So let's try with another email address that I think, yeah, I have one. Exploration era 2019. So let's see if it's been created on this email address. It's also created over this one. So this is a very important step to log in with your email address. It's created. So now it's automatically login. In this auto login was on. That's why it's automatically login. Here we are. Here we are. So this is the device ID of this system on which I have installed this AweSun Remote Desktop. So this one. Okay, we are going to just access this remote desktop from this window. This one 115, and it's optional. You it's if you are giving, if your partner is giving you the passcode, well and good. If he's not giving, then you have to connect, and it would the request would go to your partner to connect it. It's okay. So we are going to put ID of my mobile phone. So just hang on. So in mobile phone, I'm also going to tell you how to install in Android phones. Let's see. It's a very good tool to access remotely over the Android phone, iOS, or to access over the PC desktop. Okay, I get an ID of my Android phone. So let's put this that ID here. Okay, that is 057 854 and 348. 348. This ID is just this time if you are going to screen mirror another time, then another ID would be created. Every time another ID and unique ID would be created. So give password. Okay, now connect. Okay, here we are. This is Android phone. This screen is of Android phone. You can see it. Okay, now let's move and see how to install this AweSun Remote Desktop into Android phone. In Android phone, you have to go in Play Store, and in Play Store you have to write AweSun. This one. Okay, here we are. So you would have to install it from here. It's already installed in this Android phone, that's why it's saying that open directly. So here we are. Okay, there's a very good thing that you cannot control the Android phone from this PC, just for security purpose. If you want to give remote, the service, a remote help, a remote assist, then you have to tell the steps what to do to the man which holds Android phone. So here we are. You can see each and everything. Here that. Yes, open calculator. Wow. So this is the Android screen. So our next step would be to access the remote desktop. So okay, now let's install AweSun on another computer or desktop. Now we are going to install over another laptop. So let's just access the laptop from here. Just write down LDP, and this is the IP address, local IP address of that laptop on which we would be installing AweSun. So let's connect it. Here we are. Give password. This is the certificate. Just click yes. Okay, this is the the other laptop. We are going to install AweSun over here. Just go in Google. AweSun Remote Desktop. That one. So go into this website. Okay, free download. And download for Windows. Start download. Here it is. Just open it and install it on this PC or laptop. Install. Okay, now enter. Okay, this is the the device ID and passcode, but you don't need passcode. So let's access this laptop from my desktop. So you have to remember this 089941. So let's write down 089949 and 334. Let's go. Click it over here and just write down the ID you have noted down. 089949 and 334. You don't need to write passcode. It would just send request to that one. So if he is accepting, then the desktop would be connected. So connect this one. Okay, just accept it. So this is my desktop. So he's asking if you want to access that, just write down the password of the user. So at a single time only one could be accessed, either RDP or this one. I want to access it full, but I think any okay, no. Okay, this is the remote desktop. I can access the remote desktop from my desktop. So you just need to install this AweSun in remote desktop and also in your desktop. So this is all. Here we are going to create the file AweSun file practical. Okay, now let's see, is this really created on that desktop? So we are just closing and connecting from RDP. So here we are. This is the file which we have created while accessing it from AweSun. So that's all. Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's now
Okay,
access this
let's now
desktop
access
from
this
Android phone.
desktop
Your
from
whole
Android
control
phone.
will
Your whole
go to
control
the Android
will
phone.
go to the
Android
Android
phone
phone.
from Android
Android
phone, you
phone
can
from Android phone. You
click
can
everything. You can install
click
the
everything. You can install the
packages or softwares in
packages
this
or
desktop.
softwares in
So
this
let's see.
desktop. So
Just
let's
go
see.
in
Just go in
Awesome Android phone,
AweSun Android phone.
login,
Login.
remote assistant,
Remote assistant.
partner ID.
Partner
Now
ID.
here we should
Here
run this
we should
and we should
run this and
enter
we
this
should
ID
enter this
010
ID 010
184
184
and 115.
and 115.
I think it's an optional,
I
so
think
if you
it's
want
an
to give,
optional, so
it's
if you
very
want
good.
to give,
If you don't
it's
want to
very
give,
good.
then
If
the
you don't want
request
to
would
give,
come
then
to
the
me
request will come
on
to
this
me
desktop.
on this desktop.
So
So
let's see.
let's see.
Here we are. This is the
Here
request
we are.
from
This
Huawei.
is the request
So let's
from
accept.
Huawei. So let's accept.
So it's connecting now.
So it's connecting now.
here, see,
Here,
I'm going to
I'm
open
going to open
the which file?
the which file?
Let's say steganography.
Let's say steganography.
So this control is from
So
Android
this
phone.
control is from Android phone.
So you can
So
minimize the
you can
screen.
minimize the screen.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Okay, just click
Okay,
cancel.
just click cancel.
Okay,
Okay,
it's a little bit tricky,
it's a little bit
but
tricky,
you'll learn
but
within
you'll
time,
learn within
So
time.
let's just close
So
it
let's just
from here.
close it here.
Okay, now open
Okay,
another
now open
file
another
or folder.
file or folder.
Let's say you want to
Let's say you want
open
to
the
open the
this system data.
this system data.
Here we are.
Here we
When
are.
you can control this
You
PC
can
from
control
Android
this
phone.
PC from Android
It's
phone.
cool.
It's cool.
It's a good way to
It's a good
get
way to
remote assistance
get
from
remote
Android
assistance
phone
from
from
Android
an
phone
expert.
from an expert.
So, you can close it.
So you can close it.
It's cool.
It's cool.
It's very good.
It's very good.
So thank you so much.
So thank you so much.
If you like my
If
video,
you like
please
my
subscribe my
video,
channel Global
please subscribe
ICT
my
and
channel
also hit
Global ICT and
bell
also
icon
hit
to receive
bell
my
icon
video
to
notification.
receive my video
Thank you.
notification.
Bye bye.
Thank